This is the elevator at Trader Joe's, Lower East Side. We're in L, so we'll go down to C. Let's do cat view. That's a very combination of stores. One that goes up to one that goes down to Trader Joe's, the other one that goes up to Target. Very strange. These are your monitor fixtures. Ooh, good levels. Here at lobby. Capacity on this is 6,000. That's rather interesting too. Target and Trader Joe's in one building. There's your interlock up there. There's the other one over here. Goes up to Target. And that's it.